Small company definition which fall under section 2 clause 85 of Companies Act 2013. That is very confusing to determine whether a company is a small company or not. A small company has less obligations and compliances in comparing to other companies. A small company definition firstly excludes public company. Means public company can never be a small company. Apart from this, holding company, subsidiary company, any company which is registered under section 8 of Companies Act 2013, and companies which is governed under any particular act. In this also, it is very important to know that holding company and subsidiary company means any company which is a holding company and it's a subsidiary company. Both companies are excluded from the definition of a small company. Whatever names of companies I have mentioned in this video are directly excluded from the definition of small company. There are two more conditions which determine whether a company is a small company or not. If any one of these conditions is not fulfilled, the company will also not be a small company. Now let's talk about those two conditions. Condition first, paid up capital of the company should not exceed 4 crore and turnover of the company should not exceed 40 crore. If both the conditions are met, the company is eligible to qualify as a small company. Thank you.